What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. I know what you're thinking to yourself. You're thinking to yourself, where did Leandro get that awesome shirt? Well, we started making t-shirts and we want to sell them to you. So below this video, you will see our linked Teespring account. You can take a look at this shirt and a couple other designs that we have available, and I think you guys should check them out if you're interested. All right, today we're making a nightcap cocktail. This is gonna be one of those equal parts numbers, and it's from the Sloppy Joe's bar in Havana, Cuba. I don't have a date for it. I did a little digging, couldn't really find too much on it. This is one of those cocktails that had kind of been in the periphery for many years for me. So let's see if you guys find anything on it. Comment below. I love it, by the way. When I say I don't know something and someone finds out or knows about it and comments below, it makes me so happy because, you know, quite honestly, what we're striving here for is accuracy. All right, here we go. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Wow. 3/4 ounce of creme de coco. Three-quarters ounce of cognac. And, strangely enough, 3/4 ounce of gin. And add our ice. Lock our tin. And shake. There we go, we strain. And what I love about this drink is, not only is it a great nightcap, but the actual title of the drink, the name of the drink is the Nightcap. So let's taste it. Well, I will say this, that the lime and the creme de coco are the most prevalent flavor profile in there, but the gin adds a little oomph. And you get that cognac, the cognac and creme de coco and lime playing well together, and that gin just gives it a nice oomph. You guys are gonna love this. And not only that, this is definitely a cocktail that'll put you to sleep. So here you go, my friends. Enjoy this drink, the Nightcap.